We've already seen how to create a shortcut on our desktop, which will help our system shut down when double clicked. And this is what we did previously. Just right click anywhere on your desktop or the area, an empty area, and then select shortcut, new, and then shortcut, and then type in here shutdown, and then space minus P. So this command is responsible for shutting down your P. So click on finish, and then you're good to go. So if I double click on this button right here, my system will go off. So if you want to restart today, let's learn about how to restart and how to hibernate as well. So to restart, you have to right click once again, select new, and then you go in for shortcut. Now in here you type similar command shutdown, but this time around instead of P, we said P is for shutdown. This time we're going to replace it with R. R simply means that restart. So what happens is that I'm going to click on next and I'll call it restart. And then I can finish it up. So you can see I have another one here. So if I double click on this button too, then the system is going to shut down. The system is going to shut down and then restart for me. And that is that. Then the last one is to have hibernate. So right click once again, go for new, and then go for shutdown, and then you type the command shutdown space minus H. That H is responsible for hibernating your PC. So you click on next, and then you call it a name, maybe hibernate, and then you click on finish, and then you have all these three shortcuts on your desktop. So if I double click on any one of these, if I double click on this button, my system goes off. If I double click on this button, my system will hibernate, and if I double click on this button too, my system is going to restart. Remember, you can also customize the look and then input in here or have inserted an image or an icon for the shutdown button. So if you want to do that, you can put any image of your choice. So for example, let me right click on this shutdown. Let's go into properties, and then in here right in the properties I have an option here called change icon. You can click on change icon, and then you click on OK, and then it specify any of these. So let's assume this looks similar to shutdown. You click on that, or you can browse, locate it from your own system, or you can pick in their default icon. So I'm picking this, so I'm going to select this to be shut down. So I click on OK, and I'm going to apply and select OK, and you can see that automatically it changes the icon to that one. Let's do same for hibernate. So right click once again, go for properties, and then change icon once again, click on OK, and then let's select a different icon for that. Let's zoom. Let's say you like to go for, say, this one. I click on OK, and then apply, and then OK one. See, hibernate is there. And then for restart, you can do similar. Apply, and then go to properties, and then change icon once again, click on OK, and then look for another icon to replace that one also. So let's assume we want to replace it with this button for restart. So click on OK, apply, and then OK, and you can see you have customized the looks of buttons on the desktop, or the high shortcut buttons on the desktop. So if you don't click any one of these, the names as you see corresponding to it. So if I don't click on this, the system is going to shut down. If I don't click on that, the system is going to hibernate, and if I double click on these two, the system is going to restart. So this is the tips that will help you shut down, hibernate, and restart your computer without going through the normal process. But you get this shortcut created on the desktop, and once double click on any one of these, your system performs an action based on what you have double clicked. And this is how simple and easy tip that will help you shut down, hibernate, and restart your PC.